What's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Stellar XLM. What's the current price of XLM? What's the price in so the XLM in this video? I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. At this time, if you look the latest price of the Stellar XLM, so 0.302094 USD dollar is the currently price. But you know what? At this time, the price changes is going crazy, my friends. It's sometimes the price pump, it's sometimes the price going down. One day price pump, second day price dump. So people are so confused and they can't decide yet what should we do in this critical situation. But personally, my friends, I will advise you in this video, keep watch and please subscribe ABS Takes channel, my friends. Let me show you. You can see, my friends, that now at this time the price is again positive and the previous change is negative. Currently situation is positive, but the previous change is negative. Don't worry about that. I hope, my friends, my prediction tells us that they will continue this pump for a long time. And same like that occurs in the XLM. As I show you, my friends, that sometime price pump, sometime price dump. Take a jump, falls down. Again, take a jump, falls down. You can see from this pattern. But if we look the average level change is occurring, the whole average change is occurring in the XLM, so the average change is in negative. You can see here negative, falls down occur. But now, my friends, I have a hope. You can see here in the last hour the price start pump, so maybe, my friends, they will continue this pump for a long time, and maybe that is a quick jump of the XLM, so we can't see about the future. But anyways, I really recommend for all of you to please hold. Selling is not a solution of problem, my friends. The average change is negative 1.79%, so this means that you are in the loss because the pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. So, my friends, my personal recommendation for all of you is to hold. If you hold, so maybe there's a chances to you will get profit from the XLM in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XLM? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.